factor tree of 288. So 288, it can be written as 2 times 144. Now 144, it can be written as 2 times 72. 2 times 72 means 144. So 72, it can be written as 2 times 36. 2 times 36 means 72. 36, it can be written as 2 times 18. 2 times 18 means 36. 18, it can be written as 2 times 9. 2 times 9 means 18. So 9, it can be written as 3 times 3. 3 times 3 means 9. So now we select the prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 2, these all 2, like as here 3. So now we can write 288 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2 times this 2 times this one 2 as this 2, like as this 2, like as this 3, and this 3. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.